Discover the top 9 fermented foods to boost your gut health. Hello, health enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Striking out on an adventure to better gut health with the help of fermented foods is opening the door to unlocking access to centuries of nutritional wisdom rooted in tradition but fortified by modern science. The gut microbiome is a dynamic ecosystem within our bodies, a general health upholding that affects all from the process of digestion, responsible for breaking down complex food molecules, protection of their host organism from pathogenic agents, and immunity to mental well-being and prevention from chronic diseases. Fermented foods, with their rich probiotic content, are natural allies in nurturing this delicate internal environment. From here, we move to the 9 fermented foods to better your gut health, taking you through each and every fermented food, giving its unique features and how easy it can be adapted in your day-to-day dietary routine. Number 1. Yogurt, probiotic powerhouse. It is much more than just a creamy delight. Yogurt is also known to be the carrier of beneficial bacteria, mostly lactobacilli, which help in balancing the gut flora. The critical fact to consider here is to purchase the products with labels indicating live and active cultures, which would indirectly indicate the presence of probiotics. Besides that, there are also other associated benefits from better health of the gut, such as calcium, which is important for the development of healthy bones. Yogurt can be integrated into your diet in numerous ways, whether it's through breakfast parfaits with fruits and nuts or savory dips and dressings. Number 2. Kefir, beyond milk. Kefir is produced as a drink that is tangy in flavor, with a slightly bubbly texture that makes it very refreshing. It is produced by fermenting milk and has a good complex microbiota, contributing not only to its high probiotic profile, but also to the high quality of the product. Kefir can be consumed even by those with lactose intolerance. Kefir grains in this case are the catalysts for fermenting the drink, adding a collection of yeasts and bacteria to the drink. One way to easily add these helpful foods to your diet is experimenting with kefir in smoothies, salad dressings, or drinking it by itself. Number 3. Sauerkraut, cultural heritage. Sauerkraut is one of the rich treasures in our food heritage. It has been around since centuries. Fermented cabbage is also a probiotic, and it's rich in vitamins C and K. With the process of fermentation, the product has more nutritious values. So by the process of fermentation, sauerkraut has higher nutritional values. It is better to maintain the probiotic content if it is consumed as a raw product and included in the menu of sandwiches and salads, for example. Number 4. Kimchi, fermentation with a kick. Kimchi is a kind of fermented cabbage at the root of Korean cuisine, where the spices of varied sorts are mixed to bring together a savory experience with many benefits for the health. Moreover, it is made up of a lot of seasoning like chili pepper, garlic, ginger, and scallions, hence the unique taste and nutritional content. The fermentation process of kimchi increases its concentration of probiotics, thus improving its antioxidant nature for general body health. Number 5. Miso, the paste of meaning. Miso is a fundamental Japanese cuisine staple, the bean paste koji fermented. Such fermentation paste is the essence of a kitchen chameleon that can convert the entire taste of any soup, marinade, or sauce into rich umami. Miso provides gut health not only with probiotics, but also in acting as a prebiotic, nourishing good gut bacteria. Incorporating miso in your daily diet not only adds to taste, but also proves beneficial for the health of your digestive system. Number 6. Tempeh, tradition and texture. Tempeh is one of the leading foods in the world of fermentation, hearty in its structure and full of proteins. Its nutty flavor and dense texture provide a perfect substitution for meat, while through fermentation, the level of nutrition is raised to the involvement of such important minerals as iron and calcium in better absorbable compounds. The tempeh is very versatile. It can be used for stir-fry, it can be put between 2 slices of bread for a sandwich. It's way more delicious and healthier than any of the aforementioned products. Number 7. Kombucha, the tea of transformation. Kombucha, a fermented type of tea that blends tea polyphenols with probiotics, promising multiple health benefits. What makes it unique is a fermentation process that introduces a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, SCOBY, to give birth to a drink that is both functional and flavorful, Probiotics in kombucha support the effective functioning of the gut, but one should choose types with little or no added sugars. Number 8. Pickles, crunchy health conduits. Pickles are nothing but cucumbers soaked in a salty brine, providing another tasty crunch to fermented food into the system. If made the traditional way, without the usage of vinegar, then they turn out to be a great probiotic. Well, yes, add pickles to anything that can provide that punch of probiotics, but be aware of extra intake of sodium, especially when store-bought. Number 9. Traditional buttermilk, the forgotten ferment. Often unbeknown to many, traditional buttermilk is a probiotic-rich liquid, often dominated by their cultured supermarket, left from churning butter. Besides, its lactic acid bacteria do not only enrich gut health, but also imbue it with a tanginess found appealing by many. Using whey in recipes can thus revive this ancient food tradition with all its digestive benefits to modern tables. So really, incorporating these fermented foods into the diet could shore up a dynamic, diverse gut microbiome for better digestive health and improved overall well-being. The wide array of textures, flavors, and nutritional profiles these foods bring along ensures that ample occasions exist to benefit from them across the range of meals and cuisines. Nonetheless, listen to your body and introduce it slowly to give your digestive system time to adapt to the increased probiotic intake. Since everybody does not eat the same or for the same reasons, personalizing your approach based on dietary preferences and tolerances and health goals can help to maximize the positive impact these foods have on your gut health. For personalized advice, always consult with a healthcare provider. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Stay proactive about your health, and see you in the next video.